What's the meaning of confidingly? Confidingly. Confidingly.
Confidingly. Confidingly. Confidingly is an adverb that describes someone speaking or acting in a manner that shows trust and openness. When someone confides in another person, they share personal or sensitive information with them in a way that suggests they believe the other person is trustworthy. Acting confidingly means that someone is willingly placing their trust in someone else. This can help to establish a closer relationship between the two people involved, as it demonstrates a willingness to share important things and to be vulnerable with one another.